Welcome back students to Smashub web development course. In this tutorial, we will get to know more about the CSS selectors used during styling of our HTML document. In the previous video, we learned about the simple selector. Now, we will learn about the CSS combinators. A combinator is basically something that explains the relationship between the selectors. There are 4 different combinators used in CSS. First is descendant selector. The descendant selector matches all elements that are descendant of a specified element. This combinator is denoted by space that is used between two simple selectors. Likewise, in the example, all the elements of paragraph tag that are inside the div tag are only selected for styling. When you will look here properly, you would see the manner of how I have used space as the combinator between the two selectors. Now, when we run this code, we will see here the output is the same as we had wished it to be. Next is the child selector. The child selector selects all elements that are the children of a specified element. It is denoted by the greater than symbol. Like in this example, all the elements of paragraph that are the children of div tag are selected. As we run this code, we see that the content paragraph 3 in the div tag has not been styled. Let us come again to the code. We see that we have used section tag along with paragraph tag. As in the styling section, we have mentioned that in the div tag, all the content will be styled that are only inside the paragraph tag. That's why paragraph tag containing section tag is not styled. Then comes the adjacent sibling selector. The adjacent sibling selector selects all elements that are the adjacent siblings of a specified element. The combinator used in this is the plus symbol. Like in the example, in this I have used the adjacent sibling selector. Now when we run this code, we see that all the elements of the paragraph tag that are placed immediately after the div elements are styled. Last is the general sibling selector. The general sibling selector selects all elements that are siblings of a specified element. This combinator is denoted by a tilde between the two selectors. Like in the example, in this, I have used the general sibling selector. Now, when we run this code, we see that the styling is done to all the siblings, even if some code is inserted in between the two stylings. But the styling is still implemented. In the next video, we will learn about pseudo class selectors. Thank you.